Pineber, Turning Agricultural Waste to Valuables, presented by students of National Taiwan University of Science and Technology. Pineapple, as we know, is rich in nutrients and endorsed by many for its refreshing flavor. Pineapples thrive in warm, humid tropical and subtropical weather, making Southeast Asia one of the most suitable areas to grow them. In 2024, Indonesia was the leading pineapple producer with a production volume of 3.15 million metric tons, along with Philippines and Thailand being the top 10 pineapple producing countries. The market demonstrated promising market growth. However, the growing production also will lead to more agricultural waste from the pineapple farms, since the processing residues usually range from 40% to up to 60% of a pineapple. When harvesting pineapples, the farmers usually only take the fruits and leave out the crowns, leaves, and stems that are generally considered to have no market values. An emerging trend has arisen in the textile and fashion industries to tackle this problem. Some companies have started to extract the fibers from the crowns and leaves and turn them into eco-friendly fabrics. This shows a growing attention for sustainable products and, in turn, the demand for pineapple fibers. But is there another way to utilize pineapple fiber? As we know, there's a prominent problem with the textile and plastic industries of releasing contaminated water to the rivers in many regions. Traditionally, industries rely on precipitating chemicals to treat contaminated water, but they are hard to retrieve and usually can be used only once. We found that pineapple fibers actually showed promising effects in absorbing toxic dyes and heavy metals, and they are easy to be reused and retrieved due to their high integrity, and the process to produce the fibers is more facile and sustainable. Here we developed a novel sorbent that is made using a simple green immersion method that combines pineapple leaf fiber, which is also called POF, with chitosan from shrimp shells and plant-derived tannic acid, making the process eco-friendly, scalable, and free of harmful chemicals. Its toxic dyes absorption is illustrated here. The dye color after absorption is significantly lighter. Also, the absorption capacity calculated was found to increase by 4-folds compared to the pristine fiber. Nonetheless, one of the reasons there still exists a waste issue is because there's still a lack of incentives for farmers to go through extra steps to collect the waste, which results in them burning the waste instead. Hence, we decided to leverage the existing popularity of pineapple fiber products. Hereby, we introduce Pineber. Pineber is built on the concept of a circular economy, aiming to provide a clean water solution while simultaneously solving the pineapple waste issue, with an additional attention to our farmers. How we work is that we will buy the waste with a reasonable price from partner pineapple fields to motivate the farmers and turn them into two kinds of products: high-quality fibers to be further made into eco-friendly fabrics, and sorbents for water filtration. We hope to attract companies that are developing products using pineapple fibers to choose us as a raw material supplier. The profit generated from selling fibers as well as sorbents would mainly be used to subsidize farmers so they would get a fair and stable additional income from selling pineapple waste, as well as to maintain a competitive price of our sorbents to encourage our industrial customers to transition to a more sustainable choice. Another highlight is that we would provide the companies choosing Pineber's fiber a verification brand label to showcase their effort in helping us deliver a more sustainable clean water solution. And with sustainability being a pressing issue these days, we hope that this label would attract more eco-conscious consumers. Through community's effort, from pineapple farmers, companies that produce sustainable products, to industrial sectors that hope to transform their water filtration process, we would be able to achieve a circular economy that realizes several SDGs through a sustainable business model that fully utilizes the values and potentials in pineapples. Pineber, we care about our farmers, our consumers, and our planet.